your mother?
Red Cross Committee.
Hey, what about my supper?
You want some pies in the oven?
Yeah. Well, it's a nice sort of welcome I get. Wife out getting, daughter working. Oh, some people appreciate me anyway.
Good.
What are we working on tonight?
Conic sections.
Comic sections. Oh, well, they don't look very funny to me.
Conic, not comic. N for nuisance.
Oh. Bomb fighting.
Go on. You don't know the first thing about it.
Oh, yes, I do. I've read my manual from cover to cover.
Well, I can tell you how to start the lecture off. Ladies and gentlemen, unaccustomed as I am to firebomb fighting...
That's not the line at all. It's unaccustomed as I am to public speaking. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been asked tonight to give you a few hints on firebomb fighting. Now, the first thing you require is presence of mind. Now, we'll say, for argument's sake, that an incendiary bomb drops into your kitchen. Now, whatever you do, you mustn't be put out. Because if you're put out, then you can't put out the incendiary bomb. Oh, that's rather good, isn't it?
Lousy?
Now, take me, for example. We'll suppose that I'm frying a rasher of bacon on the kitchen stove when I hear a funny sort of a bang from upstairs. My trained ear identifies it at once as a firebomb. Glancing quickly at my manual and refreshing my memory, I dash for my equipment, not forgetting to turn off the gas. Picking up the shovel, rake, the syrup pump, and the water bucket, I make for the scene of the fire. I do this hurriedly, but quite calmly, remembering the old proverb, more haste, less speed. Come on, get a move on. Flinging open the door of the bathroom, which I find is full of smoke, I swiftly but methodically prepare my stirrup pump for action. This I do by swiftly uncoiling the hose, making quite sure there are no kinks in it to interrupt the steady flow of water, and, as I said, swiftly uncoiling the hose and arranging it so that both hands are quite free to deal with any emergency that may arise. I see that my foresight in leaving the water in the bath last Saturday night has fulfilled its purpose, and the bomb is out. I can now, therefore, proceed with the cooking of my bacon. Oh, dear. Yes, first washing it to remove any dirt which it may have gathered in the meantime. Let me give you another example. All of a sudden, I hear the familiar warning bonk. As before, I hurriedly collect my equipment, and I eventually locate the bomb on the roof. Once again, I methodically prepare my stirrup pump for action. I uncoil the hose, and I'm just about to extinguish the bomb when, without warning, it disappears through the roof. Hurriedly retracing my steps, hurriedly but carefully, I make for the attic, where I see the bomb is waiting for me. Again, preparing my stirrup pump for immediate action, I direct a steady stream of... Determined to deal once and for all with this... Oh, hello, where is it? Oh, dear. Oh. Oh, I say. It's no use looking, it's gone again. The sitting room. Dashing down the stairs, I at last corner the bomb. And this time it can't get away from me. Or can it? Of course, the cellar. Well, determined to get ahead of the bomb, and to defeat it by strategy, I quietly tiptoe out and rush to the cellar immediately underneath, where I can attack it by a frontal assault, as it were. Once more, preparing my stirrup pump quickly for and the bomb, thinking I wasn't looking, drops right into my bucket, which I had purposely placed there as a trap. And that, ladies and gentlemen...
Here.
I think it was all right, don't you? What was that?
Oh, the siren went 10 minutes ago.
Did it? Oh. Ooh, that was a big one.
No, that's Mum.
Oh.
Hello, love. What a night. Incendiaries falling all round. Have you heard the latest? No. Father's going to give a lecture on how to put out firebombs.
Oh, rubbish. He doesn't know anything at all about it.
Oh, yes, I do. I read my manual. I guarantee to put out anything. What was that?
That's a firebomb.
What?
Upstairs.
Upstairs? Where's my manual?
Never mind your manual. There's no time for reading.
I've got it. Come on, follow me. It's in here. Oh.
give that to me. You work the stirrup pump. There's a good girl. The first thing to do is to protect yourself from the bomb by using a chair. Water on.
All right, I'll do that.
You go get another bucket of water.
A bucket of water, yes. Here we are. You're not doing it right.
Oh,
Mrs. Shall I get some sand to put on the bomb?
the sand would be no good on a wooden floor to burn right through.
Well, why don't you put the bomb out?
You put the fires out first, and then the bomb comes down.
Good, yes.
Get me the axe.
The axe. Where's the axe? Your mother wants to use it.
I'm surprised she didn't use it years ago.
No time to be funny. Here you are. Well, it's out, isn't it? What are you looking for?
Sparks. See if you can see any.
Yeah, all right. Hey, no funny business with that axe, you know. No sparks.
All right, Elsie, knock off and make up.
Hey,
There goes the all clear.
hey, maybe all clear out there. There's a bit of a mess in here, isn't it? Well, I never did like that carpet anyway. Oh, well, I reckon we fixed that all right.
Did you say we? He says we, but he means us.
You girls must have been reading my manual.
We girls have been to training practice, and it's about time you went, too. First thing in the morning, you go round to the warden's post and fix it up.
Oh, all right, I'll go. Where do they hang out?
Next to the Pig and Whistle.
Ah, next door to the Pig and Whistle. Ah, well, there's no time like the present. I think I'll go now.